In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable abandoned cart recovery emails in Squarespace Commerce. Abandoned cart recovery helps you automatically email shoppers who added items to their cart but didn't finish checking out. It's one of the easiest ways to win back sales, and setting it up in Squarespace takes just a few minutes. I'll guide you through the exact path, plus share tips to make your emails clear and effective. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to your site's home menu. From there, go to Commerce Settings. This is the control center for everything related to selling on your site, including payment, checkout, and notifications. Inside Commerce, look for the section that houses checkout and notifications. Depending on your template or platform updates, you might see it labeled as Checkout, Customer Notifications, or Selling Tools. The naming can vary, but you're looking for the place where Squarespace manages checkout behavior and automated emails. Once you've found it, turn on the feature called Abandoned Cart Recovery or Abandoned Checkout Recovery. This toggle enables Squarespace to track when a customer leaves during checkout and to queue an email that nudges them to return and complete their purchase. When the feature is active, review the recovery email settings Squarespace provides. You'll typically see a default message and a sending window that defines how long after abandonment the email goes out. Take a moment to read through the default copy so you understand what your customers will see. If customization options are available, tailor the message and timing to match your brand and your customers' expectations. Keep the subject line clear and friendly, and make the body concise with a direct link back to the cart. Timing-wise, many stores start with an email within a few hours, while the cart is still top of mind. You can adjust language to reflect your tone, whether that's warm and conversational or more straightforward, while keeping the call to action obvious. After you're happy with the content and schedule, save your settings. Look for a confirmation or saved indicator so you know your changes are locked in. Finally, test or monitor the feature to make sure emails are being sent. You can run a quick test by adding a product to your cart, entering your email at checkout, and closing the window before paying. Then watch for the recovery email and check spam or promotions folders if needed. Over the next few days, keep an eye on your email logs or order activity to confirm recoveries are coming through. That's it. Your abandoned cart recovery is now set up and working for you.